Well, an operating agreement is an agreement between owners of a limited liability company. One of the most fundamental aspects of it is it needs to say who owns the business and in what percentages. So if you have two owners and one owns 30%, the other one owns 70%, you want to clearly state the ownership in the document. You also want to talk about any compensation agreements that you may have. If one person is going to be pulling out a salary and the other one's not, you may want to document that. You also mainly want to deal with management. So for example, you could have the 30% owner, maybe it's just a silent investor, they're not really running the company, but they want to have some protections that the person who owns 70% isn't just going to go out and sell the business. So you can put in some protections for minority owners. You can also detail certain things that have to have 100% or unanimous agreement in order to make a decision versus other decisions that the 70% owner can just run the company themselves and you're sort of delegating that authority strictly to that individual. The other thing that it deals with is practical aspects of life. If an owner of the company, the 70% owner, dies, the 30% owner doesn't suddenly want to be in business with the surviving spouse who may know nothing about the company. So you have to address what is going to happen under that kind of circumstance. What if that individual becomes disabled and can't work in the business anymore? Do they have to sell their interest back to the other owner? So a lot of them are just practical issues and decisions, much like somebody when they do a will for themselves in their personal life. You know, it talks about future situations that are going to happen and what choices you want to make and how they're going to be handled. So that's what an operating agreement is for.